Good afternoon, ma'am and my friends. I am Cici Sujana Saragi. I make this video to finish my assignment from Ma'am Berta. The subject is English for specific purposes. I have chosen one topic from the syllabus, namely assessment of ESP. The first, we need to know what is assessment. Assessment is the systematic basis for making inferences about the learning and development of students. It is process of gathering data to better understand the strength and the weakness of student learning. Assessment of ESP, according to Dudley Evans and St. John, in 1998, assessment does not stand alone, but occupies a prominent place in ESP process, giving an ESP teacher a wealth of information on the effectiveness and quality of learning and teaching. Now we are going to talk about the types of assessment. Here, there are 4 types of assessment. The first is formative assessment. Formative assessment refers to assessment that is specifically intended to provide feedback on performance to improve and accelerate learning. Formative assessment takes place as the course in progress and provides information about how well the students are doing, what they have achieved, what they need to work on, and how well the course is meeting their needs. The second is self-assessment. Dickinson has 3 reasons for using self-assessment. The first, assessment leading towards evaluation is an important educational objective in its own right, training learners in this beneficial to learning. The second, self-assessment is a necessary part of self-determination. The third, self-assessment lessens the assessment burden on the teacher. Okay, and the third type is summative assessment. Summative assessment sums up students' attainment at the end of the course with a grade. It provides information about their overall achievement, for example, whether they achieve the learning outcomes and the overall effectiveness of the course. And the fourth, continuous assessment. Continuous assessment is assessment by the teacher and possibly by the student of class performances, pieces of work and projects throughout the course. This type of assessment implies assessment which is integrated into the course and which contributes in some cumulative way to the assessment at the end of the course. Okay, now I want to explain about classroom assessment. Classroom assessment is a systematic approach to formative evaluation used by instructors to determine how much and how well students are learning. The central purpose of classroom assessment is to empower both teachers and their students to improve the quality of learning in the classroom through an approach that is learner-centered, teacher-directed, mutually beneficial, formative, and context-specific. And the last is about classroom tests. The classroom test can consist of selected and constructed responses, like many standardized assessment, or it can be performance-based. The advantages is the teachers can assess what was actually taught and if students have met the learning target. Classroom tests serve several purposes, including formative and summative. Teachers need to consider several issues when designing assessment, including validity, reliability, bias, and balance. The logistics of classroom assessments need consideration, such as the testing environment and what students will do once they finish. Grading and providing feedback are also aspects of test design. Okay everyone, that's all my explanation about assessment of ESP. Thank you and see you. Bye-bye.